Hello, my name is Alen Takhsh from Takhsh Law PC. I practice immigration law. Today's topic is focused on green card holders traveling abroad and how their travels may in fact affect their chances of becoming a U.S. citizen. In order to become a U.S. citizen, one must, among other things, pass an English and civics exam. Additionally, two related but separate requirements must be met, and those are continuous residence and physical presence in the United States. Let's focus on continuous residence first. An applicant must have continuous residence in the United States as a lawful permanent resident for at least 5 years immediately preceding the date of filing of Form N-400, Application for Naturalization. It is important to note that the continuous residence requirement is adjusted to 3 years for an applicant filing as a permanent resident married to a U.S. citizen. A trip abroad of 12 months or longer will in fact disrupt continuous residence. Applicants who intend to stay outside the United States for 1 year or longer, but less than 2 years, should obtain a re-entry permit by filing Form I-131. This is a very important step toward preserving one's continuous residence in the United States while not physically present in the country. Importantly, staying outside the U.S. for more than 12 months can lead to one's green card being revoked, with the applicant being afforded the opportunity to defend his or her permanent residence in the United States before an immigration judge. Now let's change focus. Let's talk about physical presence in the United States. A permanent resident must have 30 months of physical presence in the United States over the 5 years immediately preceding the date of filing of Form N-400, Application for Naturalization. As a side note, the physical presence requirement is adjusted to 18 months for an applicant filing as a permanent resident married to a U.S. citizen. Physical presence, I should say, is a cumulative calculus, which means that the applicant must combine each and every day he or she spent outside the United States. Clients, applicants frequently ask whether they can travel while awaiting their citizenship interview. And the answer is yes. However, the continuous residence and physical presence requirements remain in effect up to the time of naturalization. As a last piece of advice, green card holders should make certain not to miss key USCIS appointments, including biometrics appointment, naturalization interview, and the oath ceremony. While these can be rescheduled, failure to address the absence can lead to the denial of one's application. As you can imagine, there are books written on just this topic alone. However, I have found the ISBA to be incredibly helpful. So, for more information on joining the ISBA's International and Immigration Law section, please visit the ISBA website.